Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix there was a problem loading your message. Please try again later. Error on Instagram Lite. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get start. First, go to phone settings and scroll down. Then tap on apps option. Tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, delete, okay, back. Now tap on force stops, okay. Scroll up, again tap on permissions option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar, allow, back. Camera allow, back. Contacts allow, back. And location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, turn on notifications, okay, back. Phone allow, back. Photos and videos always allow, all, okay, back to home screen. And now go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Instagram, and now tap on Instagram and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version, okay. And now open your Instagram app. Now tap on profile icon, tap on 3-line option, scroll down, again scroll down, tap on help, scroll down, tap on report a problem, again report a problem, and tap on include and continue. And now enter your problem here and tap on send option, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. I hope your problem has been solved successful 24 hours. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.